Question 20. We are dealing with this same diagram that we dealt with in question 19. We're to find angle PRS this time around. Let us move the diagram to a convenient position. Yes, that's all right. Now, we're to find the size of angle PRS. That is this angle here. We want to find the size of this angle, and that comprises two angles. That is this angle. We found that one to be 33 degrees in question 19. You should remember we said angle R is subtended by arc PT at the circumference, and this angle at Q, that 33 degrees, is subtended by arc PT also at the circumference. So they are angles subtended by the same arc at the circumference. We call them angles in the same segment, and they are equal. Okay? Also, even though we don't need this, we said this one is 90 degrees. It's not needed for question 20 really, but let me put it there, 90 degrees. And we want to find this angle now. Shall we call it angle Y, which is yet to be known? There are two ways to find this angle Y. We can find angle Y by thinking about Y as being subtended by arc TS. Arc TS subtends Y at the circumference. The same arc TS subtends angle 76 degrees at the center. There is a theorem that says angle subtended at the center doubles the one subtended at the circumference by the same arc. As a result of that, we can say 76 degrees angle subtended at the center by arc TS is equal to 2 times angle Y, angle subtended at the circumference by arc TS. So 76 over 2 gives us our Y easily. 76 over 2, that's equal to Y, and so Y is half of 76, 38 degrees. Having gotten Y, we can go ahead to say, okay, angle PRS, which is the actual thing we're to find, is equal to 33 degrees plus Y, if you remember, which is, let me write it beside this, 33 degrees plus 38 degrees. And what's that going to be? That is 71 degrees. The correct option is option B. Option B is the correct option. Okay, that's just one way of doing it. You know, I told us we can get Y by another method. Now let's see another way of getting Y. If you bring out triangle ROS, something like this, ROS, the angle here is 76 degrees, and we can get this one. It is supplementary to 76. That is 180 minus 76, which is 104 degrees. Now come back to this place. OR is a radius because O is the center of the circle. OS is also a radius because O is the center of the circle. That makes OR equal to OS. OR is equal to OS. They are both radii of the same circle, and so the base angles must be the same, Y and Y. So this is Y and Y, base angles of isosceles triangle. If we add the three angles inside triangle ROS, if we add them up, we're going to have Y plus 104 being equal to 180. If you solve this also, you will eventually get Y to be